Hi friends, it's Mrs. Borngraber here, going to review some of the vocabulary for our next story, Two Bear Cubs. If you open up your textbook, you can find the vocab on page 128 and 129. These are our vocabulary words for this lesson: scolding, greedily, ignores, hesitation, burden, glancing, base, console, drowsy, and heroic. All right, the first word is ignores. What word? Ignores. Good. It says the fawn ignores its mother because it is paying attention to something far away. So in this picture, we see the mother deer and the baby deer, or the fawn. So the fawn is ignoring the mother. It is not paying attention to what the mother is doing. Ignored. You can see this man right here is ignoring. It says refused to pay attention to something, to someone, or something. If your mom's telling you to do the dishes, or your homework, and you are not listening, you have your hands over your ears, you ignored her. Please do not ignore your parents. The next word is hesitation. What word? Good, hesitation. The bear shows hesitation as the hikers walk by. Hesitation means doubt or uncertainty. Really, it also means that you are pausing, or you are stopping yourself for a minute because you feel uncertain, you are not sure. So this picture shows a man who is hesitating to push a button. Maybe he doesn't know what the button does, or he is afraid of what will happen if he pushes the button. So he is hesitating. The next word is greedily. What word? Good, greedily. The chipmunk eats greedily and does not share with others. Greedily, in an excessive manner. Really, what it means to be greedy is that you are holding up everything and you are not sharing with others. So that woman is greedy. She's holding on to all that gold and she is not sharing with people. If you are doing something greedily, it means you are being greedy when you do it. So if you brought a ton of cookies to a party and you didn't want to share, you are being greedy, and you are doing it greedily. Next word is scolding. What word? Good, scolding. This lion is scolding its cubs after they misbehaved. Scolding. Using harsh language to correct someone. Scolding really means that you are yelling at somebody. You are telling them what they did wrong. So here we have a picture of two children, an older and a younger, and the older child is scolding the younger child. Drowsy. What word? Drowsy. After hunting, the fox became drowsy and fell asleep in its den. Drowsy. Here it says almost asleep, but a better definition would really be that you feel sleepy. So this man is yawning. We can tell that he's drowsy because he's yawning and he's almost ready to go to bed. You might feel drowsy at the end of the day, or when we were in school, you might have felt drowsy at the end of the school day because you were so tired. Next word is base. What word? Good, base. Water flows near the base or bottom of the mountain known as El Capitan. This is a Spanish cognate. This means that the words are the same in both languages, right? So the word base, I'm sure then would be pronounced base in Espanol. Base. The lowest, bottom, or supporting part of something. So you might have the base of a cup, or really anything that has a bottom to it. Console. What word? Good, console. The girl's mother tries to console her after she fell and hurt herself. This is another Spanish cognate. This word would then be consolar, I believe. console, to provide comfort to someone in distress. So you can tell that this man is consoling the woman who is crying. He's trying to make her feel better. This word is burden. What word? Good, burden. The travelers have placed a heavy burden or load on the yak. And here we have an instance of context clues in our sentence. So if you were to have to guess what does burden mean, we can look at the sentence and see those commas. Good, so you can tell that burden means load. A load being carried. Load is really just anything that's like heavy, like a big, you can have a load that's like rocks, like this guy's carrying, or you can have like your school books. You can say that's a load. That's a big pile of something that's very heavy that you're carrying. So at the end of the day, if you had a lot of homework and you had a full backpack, that was a burden that you had to carry. It was something big and heavy you were carrying. The next word is heroic. What word? Good, heroic. The heroic campers fought the wildfire until help arrived. Heroic really just means to be brave. So a superhero is heroic. Try and think of some other examples of people that are in our community that are heroic. You might say police, doctors, firefighters. Really all of the people that are working during this quarantine because of the coronavirus, all of those people are very heroic. They're very brave. Next word is glancing. What word? Good, glancing. The boy is glancing or looking quickly at something outside the window. Go ahead and use those context clues to figure out what does glancing mean? Good. It really means to look quickly at something. Glancing, looking at something quickly. So that photo shows a man glancing at his watch. He's looking at it quickly and then he's looking away. Good. So that was an overview of all of the vocabulary words for 2 bear cubs. After this, you are to pick 5 of these vocabulary words and write them in a sentence, a nice long 3rd grade sentence. And that is our ELA work for day 1. So that should have been done yesterday. And then I will be uploading other videos for 2 bear cubs as we keep going. All right, students, we miss you and hope to see you soon. And I will catch you in the next video.